Shouldn't be too hard at all.
Sure. Snap, Maestro. Only, where do we start?
Right here.
Howdy folks, back again and something completely different. When we're repairing radios, what do we need? Well, apart from caps and resistors, we need spare parts. And I bought a bunch of chassis, dirt cheap, and pulled this one out, thinking I'm going to just strip it and show you what I keep out of them. You know, pretty obvious really. And I started looking at it, and I mean, I noticed the dull glass is there, you know, that's all working. It's got a speaker, missing the valves, but the chassis has the valve types printed on it. So, and I've definitely got the 6V6, 5Y3, 6U7, 6J8, yep, and 6B6. I've got them all. And I'm thinking to myself, oh God, you know, because everything's complete in it. Never been touched. Bring the light down so you can see. It's all there. Should I scrap it? I mean, it's full of goodies. Volume pot, choke. What else? Oh yeah, coils, of course. Yes, this would be a shortwave model as well. 2 sets of coils, 4 of them there. Output transformer, as I said, the speaker's there. That, as long as it's not burnt out, that's going to work. Speaker cone needs a bit of repair, but that's not a big deal. So, thing is, I can't keep repairing chassis, and I'm running out of room. Where do I put them all in there? And this is a model, HMV model 537. I looked it up, the schematic's there, so yeah. I'm going to think about this, so I'm not going to scrap this for now. I really don't like scrapping radios that can be repaired. And boy, it's got a lot of caps. Okay, got 2 cap cans there, another cap there. What's that one? 16 volt. So that's, oh yeah, that's the grid bypass, I think. Capacitor, low voltage. So anyway, yeah, that one I'll put away. I'm going to just think about it, and one day, well, I won't talk well. Yeah, one day I might get into it. So here's another one. This definitely isn't worth saving, that's for sure. Look at it. So we've got a couple of IF cans, what I'm taking to be an output transformer or a choke, can't be sure. Power transformers there. Tuning gang, forget it. Ooh. And a plug. Oh yeah, these things come in handy. Keep that. Let's pull it around. What do we got? I mean, you know, I don't even know what it is. It doesn't say. No, don't care. Some knobs. Okay, those two are the same. 2 different ones, and I've got these knobs. But hey, that's handy. So naturally, we keep the knobs. And oh yeah. Yeah. And what can we salvage out of this? Well, yeah, the volume pot certainly. Take it back so you can see. And I'll just get my pointer. And what I do is, well, all the resistance capacitors, they just go. I'm not interested in those at all. So the volume pot, and or is that the volume pot? On off. Oh, look at that. On off switch that is absolutely knackered. On off switch tone or volume, tone or volume, whatever. Yeah, the coils, keep them. I'll give this a blowout before I get in there. And I'll also keep, when I can see them, where are they? I'm looking for the micas. I keep micas. They normally run, I mean, I've only ever had to replace about, I don't know, 3 or 4, 5 maybe micas in all the radios I've done. Done about, I don't know, 40 odd, 50. Of course I don't video every one, but they're handy, and micas are expensive little buggers. So I'm not going to bore you with me stripping the thing down because it takes absolutely ages. It is a tedious job, but we need the parts. We need to keep them just in case. You can never have too many IF cans. In fact, you can never have too many of anything really, except tuning gangs. I've got a box full of them, and I've yet to use one. But if the little ones, I keep the little tuning gangs. So, like I said, I'm going to give this a blowout and yuck, and start stripping the components, but there's really not much on this one at all, unfortunately. But anyway, it's something. Let's get hopefully the volume pot works. Seems to. These, oh God, that's jammed. Oh, you can't see it, sorry. The selector. Oh, no. Keep the case. Right, keep the case for if I build a guitar amp or something. So yeah, anyway, I'll strip it down and show you what I get out of this. Back soon. Right, well, after a fair bit of effort trying to get things out, this is all I could really salvage from it. So a couple of IF cans, nuts and bolts, always keep those. Nifty little 4-prong plug, male and female, so that can come in handy. Oscillating coil, I believe, and another coil, another plug, looked like, I think that was for the output transformer, and 2 micas, 450 puffs, and I will put them in the drawer with all the other old micas I've got. They should come in handy, and of course power transformer. Well, I gave the power transformer a bit of a look just before. I was curious to show you. Where are we here? Zoom in a little bit. As I was pulling it out, I took note of what was connected to what, and these are definitely the power wires. And let's just do a bit of a reading. Don't forget, scrape the enamel off or you get all sorts of funny readings from it. So 26 ohms resistance. So, I mean, hey, that's alright, that's working. I've got an earth wire there. I believe this to be high tension, HT, and there'll be 6.3, and they're all twisted together, so they're going to be fairly easy. An earth wire, another earth wire, and these two, well, it could be 5.3. 5 volts rather than, as well as 6.3 on there. So yeah, it's a fairly old set. So one day, when I've got absolutely nothing to do, I'll put some power to that and take readings. Okay, here's the next one. And I just went to a box and just pulled it out. And I thought it was dull glass. Just a bit of plastic. I think that's had its day. Anyway, oh yeah, dial pointer, that'll come in handy. This one's got a speaker, dial globes, globe holders, IF cans. As you can see, speaker, and the cone looks intact. So, what else we got? Oh yeah, some trim pots, normal stuff, choke probably. As I said, the power transformer, a couple of coils, see how hard they are to get out, and micas, I'll see one anyway, so that's good. What's that? It's a switch, that's a power switch, on off switch, I'll have that, and a volume pot. So a little bit more to get off this one, that's for sure. What are they? Don't know. We'll find out. But I'm going to strip this down, and we'll see. Oh, yeah, bit of shielded cable. Well, that always comes in handy. Always keep that. And the rest of it's all junk. We'll just throw it out. I think on Marketplace there was some guy, I'm not having a go at him, but he was selling all these old caps and resistors. And, you know, the radio fraternity can be a bit, you know, sarcastic at times. But, you know, to the radio repair person, why on earth would you want to keep all these old things? I mean, we change them and throw these out. These are just useless, absolutely useless. So I don't think he actually said he sold something, sold a few things, but yeah, beats me. Anyway, I'll get stuck into this and pull all the crap out, and hopefully the things we salvage are going to be worthwhile. So I'll get onto that. Okay, so this is what I salvaged after half an hour of blood, sweat and pain, I'm telling you. Well, no, almost tears. So a couple of IF cans, volume pot, on-off switch. I kept 3 octal sockets that come in handy. I do collect them. 2 dial globes, dial globe holders and dial globes. Various nuts and bolts, which always come in handy. And little dial pointer, that might come in handy for something. And of course, power transformer. And lucky last, speaker with an output training on it. And speaker cone, a few holes in it, as you can see, a few rips. I've seen worse, I've repaired worse. So we'll give them a test. And a choke. So let's see if the choke is giving us any positive readings. Right. Hope they're not enamelled. We're getting something. So it's 500k. Choke, nice. That will come in handy. The IF cans. I guess I'll just test for continuity. If they 2 terminals connected to each other. Let's go. And oops, sorry, can't see. That's a goer. Quickly do the other one. Where are we? Yep. And the other cap in there. Yep. So they're good. Volume pot. Go to ohms. See what sort of resistance we get. 1.6 meg. 25k. 1.6 meg. 1.7 meg resistance. It says 1 meg on it, but getting more. That's okay. It works. What have we got here? On-off switch. Let's try some continuity on it. So one side to the other. On, off. Nice. That will definitely come in handy. Nice, I like that. And dial globes will be okay. Dial globe holders, oh yeah, and a terminal strip. I know, pretty wonky looking one, but you never know. Cut it up if I have to. And the transformer. And it's got markings on it. What do we got here? 240, but why isn't there a wire onto the 240? In fact, he was here. Well, anyway, easy enough to work that out. sorry, easy enough to work that out. So that's 240, that's where that wire should be, but it's over here, unless that's common. Don't know what that is. And I think he's got on 220, but anyway, test that at a future date. Certainly won't do it now. But I'm more curious about the speaker. So let's just quickly test it. Come on. See if we get some resistance. Hopefully it's not open circuit. And primary of the output transformer. Come on. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. What an absolute bugger. What about the speaker itself? Come on. It's got to be 1 point. Come on. No, don't do this to me. Come on. It's all over the place. I know what I'm going to do. Back in a sec. Let's run a signal through it. And ouch! Look at my thumb. I can hear stuff. Well, that's working. So the output transformer is fine, but I mean, certainly got to get some sort of resistance of it. I mean, it's just wire wrapped around metal. Oh, now we get some readings. So 2.9k. Either way, spare speaker, nice size one too. Well, there you have it, guys. That's what I do with, well, that's an example of stripping down a chassis and getting spare parts, which we'll need. So, I know, short one, but, you know, I hope you found it sort of interesting. Anyway, if you haven't done it before, well, you're going to enjoy it. No, you're not. Anyway, okay, take care. See you soon. Bye.